everyone. I said good evening. This is because we are having a talk show of the evening batch. This is their first episode, but for my class, it is the third episode of talk show with Rushika. Again, I am telling you that this talk show is done for the upliftment of the students. After the talk show, they will be having a boost up in their confidence. So I welcome everybody to this talk show. And today we are again having a very good combination of participants here. So firstly, I would like to welcome Awadh Chandarana. So please welcome him with a huge round of applause. The next guest is Darshan here. So I welcome Darshan on the stage, please. Hello Awadh. Hello Darshan. How are you? I am also fine. How are you, Awadh? Before starting, I welcome you in the talk show. Awadh, कैसा फील हो रहा है?
अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
Okay. And आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है? Nervous फील हो रहा है? Okay. So yes, we are starting with the talk show, and make sure your voice is up by speaking. And first question, Awadh, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandarana Awadh. I am studying in 10th class.
Okay. And what about you?
My name is Jasmata and I am studying 8th class.
You are studying in 8th class. Okay. So why have you come to this spoken English class?
Because of my English is very weak and
You wanted to improve.
I want to improve and my confidence level is very low.
Okay, great. Why you joined this class?
Because of I have a stage fear, so I can learn from this class.
Okay, great. So moving towards both of your goals, right? What is your future goal? Darshan, starting with you.
I want to be a businessman.
Okay. And what you want to become?
I want to become also businessman.
Okay. So both the businessmen, future businessmen are with us. We can also take loan from them if we require in future. So yes, for doing the business, you have researched about some studies, some courses. So what are the studies we have to go to start a business?
Business to go to start like commerce and science.
Commerce and science, okay. What type of business you want to start?
I want to designer of bikes and showroom.
Okay, so he has a very unique dream. He want to design a bike. So that's a unique dream because I have many students who are coming in the talk shows, but they have their various dreams. Okay, great, very good, Awadh. What is your dream?
My dream is to manufacture the car like Elon Musk.
Oh, we are having Elon Musk part 2 here. No, Elon Musk will take benefit from Darshan Atara, right? Very good, Darshan. So what have you thought of? What you will study further?
I study commerce for that.
Okay. After commerce, is it possible to design the cars or what?
No, firstly I have to do some startups and after that I make money and then I start the business.
Okay, amazing. So can you tell me that you are at a very young age telling about the cars and your dreams. So do you think, both of you, the same question, do you think that social media is affecting the business ideas, the social media is affecting your mindset positively and negatively? Yes or no?
Yes.
So how positively and how negatively? Just tell me in your own words. Yes, Awadh.
Social media is very positively because of like structure. I see that and it is giving me positive thoughts.
Okay, amazing. Awadh is learning from, I think, Instagram shorts or any YouTube videos कि बाइक को डिजाइन कैसे किया जाता है, right? Okay. So you are using it positively. That is a good part. And what about you, Darshan?
It gives me idea of the cars engine, how to design the cars and etc.
Okay. From your thought process, I feel that you are not using social media negatively. A very young audience is watching this video as of now. So a small lesson that social media is for fun, entertainment, for everything. But if we learn from it, तो हम डिग्री के बिना भी बहुत सारा सीख सकते हैं. Even I developed my communication skills by seeing many good speakers, and I do have a mentor. But साथ में हमारे पास add-ons करना है, तो we have to frequently see very good videos, right? सिर्फ वो रील scroll करना and just wasting the time is only a waste of time and waste of life both, right? So moving towards our last question, starting with Darshan. Darshan, what is the message of yours to our all the audience? See, we are having आपके एज की भी ऑडियंस है, मेरे जैसी भी है और यंगस्टर्स भी है. आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
That I give the message that nothing is impossible.
Okay, can you explain why nothing is impossible?
Because sometimes some people have that I can't do this thing. So they say that this is impossible, but there is no impossible in life.
Okay, have you done something जो आपको लग रहा था impossible है, लेकिन आपने तो भी किया?
I have done it in future.
You will do it in future.
Yes.
Okay, so कभी भी किसी ने नहीं किया हो ना वैसा दर्शन करना चाहेगा फ्यूचर में. We'll have a Indian Elon Musk standing for all of you. Amazing ideas. Yes, over to you. Okay, I would like to tell you or ask you that what is the message for young viewers?
Young viewers, you give positive thoughts and not giving negative. Please join this class. It is a very wonderful and confidence level is high.
Okay, so I am very much thankful to Awadh because we have already taken 2 interview rounds. We have 4 people and these are the 3rd episode participants. But Awadh said that join the class. He is also doing marketing. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. Thank you so much, Awadh. I am seeing a lot of change in you, right? और आप एक एडवाइस क्या देना चाहते हो सब यंगस्टर्स को कि मोबाइल को या फिर सोशल मीडिया को किस तरह यूज़ करना चाहिए that we can gain knowledge from it?
YouTube and Instagram is positive thoughts, but it is also negative also. So we can see only positive thoughts.
ओके, सो यूट्यूब पे इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत नेगेटिव चीज़ें भी आ रही और आपको भी पता होगा कि नेगेटिव है तो फटाफट से फैल जाएगा. बट इफ इट इज़ पॉजिटिव इट विल टेक टाइम टू रीच पीपल, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच अवध एंड दर्शन फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. अ वेरी गुड थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ योर्स. भगवान करे फ्यूचर में हम आपके डिज़ाइन किए हुए बाइक्स और कार्स को चलाएं, राइट? सो क्लैप्स फॉर देम. बहुत सारे और पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ आना चाहेंगे. अवध एंड दर्शन हैज गिवन अ ह्यूज मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ अस कि आज तक मैंने जो सुना था ना वो था कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना, दूसरे हमको कोई प्रोडक्ट को इन्वेंट करना, ऐसे बिजनेसेस की तरफ लोग बढ़ रहे थे. बट दे बोथ हैव देयर ओन आइडिया. इसको बाइक का डिज़ाइन करना है और इसको कार का डिज़ाइन करना है. सो इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक आइडिया. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर. और हम फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड के साथ. और एपिसोड्स देखते रहिए एंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.